welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for tuning in. In today's video I want to prepare pap, Nigerian pap. Okay, so come, let me show you guys my ingredients. Pap is good for babies and adults, and guess what, I added another 2 ingredients for my pap. So come, let me show you guys. I use yellow corn and white corn because I don't want my pap to be white. Okay, I want it to have a very unique color. So this is a yellow corn and this is white corn. So I added corn, and this is millet. So guys, now I'm going to select my grains. I just pour in my tray and then select dirt and stones before I wash it. So guys, I'm done selecting stones from the grain. So now I will wash it. I soak it in water for 48 hours before I will go to the market and then blend it. Hi guys, so this is the 3rd day of soaking the corn. This is it. It has fermented, so now I will wash it very well. So guys, I'm done washing, very clean. I'll take it to the market and blend it, and then when I come back, I'll wash it again. I'll filter it. Sorry, I'll filter it. How did I do this? So when I come back from the market, I'll show you guys how to filter the pap. In the corn, look at how it looks. So now I'm going to wash my hands and then filter it. Look at it. Ooh, very smooth. Very smooth. Ah, it's so hot. Ooh, so hot. Oh. I'm adding water so that it will be easy to filter it. Oh, I've already washed it very well. Oh, yeah, show this side. Okay, this is the cheesecloth that I'm going to use and filter it, and this is the bucket. So I will wrap it. Let's tie it like this. Oh yeah. to do it. Okay, we are done with this one. This is the shaft. Shaft. We are almost there. The shaft. It's fast because I have helping hand. Please touch your Okay, so guys, we are done. Wow. Okay, so guys, this is the bag that we are going to use and filter the pap. Watch out and see the magic. I know you'll be wondering why is it watching like this. That's how it's supposed to be. In the bottom. Look at the pap. So we are going to leave it for the water to drain. You're not going to force it down. Guys, the water is dropping. Don't hear yo. Mama will just do you. So guys, this is not the end. So I'll show you guys when the pap is ready, okay? So for now, let the water be dripping. Okay, I'm not doing it. Okay, so guys, this is the outcome of our pap. It's ready. So let me bring it out so that you guys can see the outcome. After I squeeze the water out. You know, we have different colors of pap. Depending on what you add in your own, you get a different color. If you wish to do the white one, that means you are going to use only white corn. Only white corn if you want to do white pap. If you want it to come out this color, you add millet. So I'll store it in this container and put it in the freezer. Another way you can preserve pap is to add water and be changing water every morning. This is how I'm going to preserve my own by keeping it in the freezer.